Hey guys, welcome to the 8th lesson of the Tabla series. We hope you're excited. Previously, we have learned Ghe na te ke na te and in today's video, we are going to learn a new bowl. We hope you have practiced the previous one perfectly. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the bowl will be Ghe ge na ghena, ke na kena. It is important to note that these bowls are very important to set your fingers with your tabla. Therefore, kindly practice them very precisely. Now, let's see how it is played. Well, that's how it should be done, and with this, we are ending today's 8th lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will get the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends as much as possible. Tune in with us in the next video with the 9th lesson of the Tabla series. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.